Okay guys, actually I'm not going to use it in our actual design, but I still want to show you a website that can help you design some kind of UX UI starting point. It's called Wireframe. So I wanted to go in Google and write Excalidraw. Okay, Excalidraw. And when we will get into it, you will see we have some kind of sketch kind of UI. Okay, it's free to use for one project. So let me go a little bit to the side. If you will open in library, you probably won't see anything. You will need to browse the libraries and then search something like screen or whatever, and you will have like screen sizes that you can use on. Okay, and then in the library we can take one of the screen sizes. For example, that's like simulating a MacBook, and if I press Control and scrolling, I can zoom in and out. And now we can actually start making kind of like a wireframe of our platform. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to see some kind of way to make it. So you can hit here a square. Let's say we're doing the authentication. So if I press Alt and drag, I can duplicate it. And then I can, I can write here email. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Password. And so on. And let's just, for the example, I will show you another page. For example, I can make like the import page, so I can do like a square and take text, write import, and that can be like one window. And if you want a side menu, you can do like here a side menu and start creating buttons. So like let's say and new video, and here I will write I don't know, library, and here I will do settings. Okay, now the cool thing about it that you can always, by hitting a screen capture button in your keyboard, or you can search something like snipping tool. If I hit the capture button, I can take a picture, send it to ChatGPT and so on, and continue working on my structure. Now, another way you guys can make some kind of wireframe, or actually the design of your platform before working with Lovable and spending money, is using Claude. Okay? So in the next video, I will show you the same principles, but using Claude.